A yellow jacket. I don't mind them getting the dead bees down here. Looks like there's a larva that somebody pulled out and dumped. That bee's still a little bit alive. But anyway, it rained overnight. I saw a banana slug like coming around here about an hour ago. I don't know how the banana slug got past my anti-ant stuff, but yeah, trace of rain, not a whole lot. But some of the gals are flying a little bit. Let's check the bottom board. Now we're on the 4th day since oxalic acid, 5th oxalic acid treatment. Let's see how much. And I clean this board every time. I didn't check yesterday, so this is 2 days of drop, 3rd and 4th day. And they're still dropping. And let's see, is that some wax? Maybe some brood still hatching there. What's that? Yep. I'm gonna have to do a 6th treatment. I'm gonna clean this board up and check it again tomorrow.